AroundDeal has a plan and a promise to help people on Earth work less and achieve more. Today, we are making this come true. We release the AroundDeal extension, a 3.0 Pro version, an intelligence tool, combining AI and AroundDeal and LinkedIn together. It's designed to make the lives of business professionals work easier and more efficiently. We present 3 powerful features: AroundDeal Talent AI, AroundDeal Contact Finder, AroundDeal Market Insight, each catering to the specific needs of recruiters, sales reps, and marketers respectively. With AroundDeal Talent AI, you can transform JDs into best fits in just seconds. With AroundDeal Contact Finder, you can easily get any prospect's information. With AroundDeal Market Insight, you can gain valuable insights into over millions of companies worldwide, assess your competitive landscape, and identify trends to support your decisions. AroundDeal extension works on any site online. AroundDeal extension is designed for all professionals, so you're a part of this, too. The new way of supercharging your business is here. But don't take our word for it. Install for free today and experience the future of productivity firsthand.